Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into IronSource, a leading platform for mobile monetization and user acquisition. If you're an app developer, especially in the gaming world, you'll want to pay close attention. We've included links to IronSource in the description below. IronSource provides a comprehensive suite of tools designed to help you make money from your apps, attract high-quality users, and optimize your advertising performance. Their primary focus is on in-app advertising, and they offer a variety of solutions, including rewarded video ads, interstitials, banner ads, and even playable ads, all aimed at maximizing your revenue while ensuring a smooth and engaging user experience. One of IronSource's most impressive features is its level play mediation tool. This tool automates the often complex process of ad network optimization. Instead of manually tweaking waterfalls, level play leveraged real-time data and machine learning to dynamically prioritize the highest bidding advertisers. This intelligent automation translates to increased revenue for developers without the added workload. Beyond revenue generation, IronSource is committed to ad quality. Their dedicated ad quality tools help monitor ad performance, ensuring that low-quality or disruptive ads don't negatively impact user retention. They understand that a positive user experience is paramount to long-term success. On the user acquisition front, IronSource offers robust campaign management and analytics tools. The ROAS, Return on Ad Spend, optimizer automatically adjusts bids based on in-app purchase behavior. This allows you to target and acquire users who are most likely to convert, maximizing the efficiency of your ad spend. Another noteworthy feature is Aura, which empowers OEMs and carriers to deliver personalized app recommendations directly at the device level. This can significantly boost organic installs and user engagement. For developers with multiple apps, IronSource facilitates cross-promotion. By leveraging their existing in-app ad inventory, developers can effectively promote their other apps within their own ecosystem, eliminating the need for additional marketing expenditures. IronSource's data-driven approach is a key advantage. The platform provides granular analytics on user behavior, ad revenue, and user retention. These detailed insights empower developers to make data-informed decisions to optimize both monetization and acquisition strategies. In conclusion, IronSource presents a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for mobile developers aiming to scale their apps profitably. The platform's combination of AI-powered mediation, automated user acquisition tools, and advanced analytics makes it a powerhouse in the mobile app industry. So, if you're looking to increase your app revenue and attract high-value users, be sure to check out the links to IronSource in the description below.